truth and come out again. Yeah. Hi guys, welcome back to another mind-blowing video. So it's your girl Lady Sparkle, and I'm here to sparkle the world. So in this video I'm gonna be installing one of my old hairs. It's really looking messy. I'm gonna install it and like revamp it and install it on my hair, because I saw that you all have been like engaging so far. So you guys are really inspiring me to create more content like this. So let's go. So first of all, I'll use this to put on the wig, so it's gonna be coily. So let's go. Use my hands to massage it in. It's been long I got this hair. I think it's up to like 3 years or more. So I'm going to go ahead to rub it everywhere, also on the tip of the hair. Everywhere thoroughly. So by the help of God, I managed to like comb it and put the stuff on my wig. So it's time to install it on my head. Let's go. So I'll just use this edge control. Just brush my hair. Brush it. So it's time to put my glue, then put it on my hair. So let's go. So here's the glue. So let's put it on my hair. put it like 2 times or so, but I don't really want to wear this wig for too long, so I'm not gonna double it. I'm just gonna make sure this one is dry, then put the wig on top of my hair. So as you can see, it's barely visible, so I'm gonna put it on my hair. So let's get started. Let's go. Let's put it on my head. I'm looking at the mirror down here. Oh, it's a mirror. I'll go ahead to spray this on the edges. Go ahead to tie this stuff on. So guys, I'm gonna allow it to dry, then I'm gonna take you through the process. So guys, I finished installing the hair, and so now I'm just going to do my lips. Yeah, because I'm done with the hair already. Thank God for that. Thank God for that. So now just go ahead to do my lips. Glossy lips. So this is the dry look of the wig. Let me know the lips. I have another eye paint, but I use one to finish. So I use the new one. Getting there. Then add some red. Not too much, just a little bit. this is final look. See our letter in the next video. I think I'll be filming an unboxing video after this. Thanks for watching. Love you. Thanks for 1,940 subscribers. You all are so amazing. Ciao.